Hello everyone, myself Krishna Babu from Andhra Pradesh. I secured All India rank 3rd in JRF Agronomy 2020. I graduated from Angru SV Agriculture College Tirupati. So here I am to share my strategies and views to getting through this examination. My simple strategy was I solely depend on the standard textbooks and I prepare notes by myself and I used to revise more times. And I mainly emphasis on the fundamentals because in any question paper major questions from the fundamentals only. So whatever the question paper might come, it is easy or tough, I should able to answer the paper. First I took the question entire syllabus paper and divided the syllabus into different subtopics: principles, irrigation agronomy, weed science, and statistic part, and crop production part, and meteorology part. Then I listed the textbooks which I thoroughly followed. Two important textbooks are Principles of Agronomy by Reddy and Reddy and S.R. Reddy. These textbooks are very important. Some chapters like meteorology, soil and its modifications, mineral nutrition, these topics are very important in these textbooks. And you should refer thoroughly because you make notes, simple notes from these textbooks. The major 60% questions are from these textbooks only. Then weed science part, I follow the T.K. Das book. It is a quite voluminous but very important book. You should make a note, simple notes from the based on the syllabus paper. You choose some topics very important like weed classification and biocontrol methods. These are the very important, and herbicide management, herbicide control methods also very important, and trade names. These are the important topics in weed science. And irrigation part, I didn't follow any separate textbooks for irrigation. I read thoroughly the irrigation agronomy, irrigation management from the S.R. Reddy and Reddy and Reddy. So these textbooks are enough for this examination. For crop production part, I read the Rajendra Prasad textbooks because these are very important textbooks. Majority of the students read these textbooks only. Chapters are quite voluminous, but you should majorly emphasis on the crops like tobacco, sugarcane, commercial crops, because if you saw the trends in past question papers, major question from the commercial crops only. So you should majorly focus on the commercial crops. And for meteorology part, these principles of agronomy textbooks are sufficient for the meteorology part. And in agronomy paper, many numerical questions comes. So I refer the numerical agronomy by Abhishek Sharma. It is quite beneficial because in a book was in very simple way. You should be able to answer any type of basic questions from numerical agronomy. In statistics part, I used to read the Angro material and Nimra Sundar general agriculture book. And for general agriculture, you should majorly emphasis on focus on the agronomy part and statistics, crop physiology, and genetics and plant breeding. These topics are very important for agronomy students. I used to read the Nimra Sundar only. Then some simple topics are there like tea husbandry and aromatic plants and spice plants. These are very important, and fodder crops. And you should read these topics from different textbooks, but you should mainly focus on what are the scientific name and origins of these crops, like mint, types of mint, like etc. And I prepared for every topic. I prepared my notes by myself, and in previous paper definitely done by you. I used to read daily one question paper before 2 months of the examination. In agronomy, major questions repeated from past year papers. It may helpful, and some current topics like food grain production and some schemes are there. So you also at least basic knowledge on that. And I didn't follow any much objective books. I prepared objective by myself only. So these are my strategies, and all the best. And I am very thankful to Bipin sir to share my strategies. So thank you.